Here's the Merak. Got quite a lot of rust on it. Seems that someone was gonna do a bang up job, and someone already did do a bang up job painting it black since it was white. Here's that for you. It's a 77 SS model. Dashboard is pretty nice. Headliner's real nice. It's got some rust, that's for sure. Serious rust. All throughout here. All over here. That's outside there. It's pretty bad under here as far as the rust goes. Mostly just in this area. Back here as well. But the other side isn't too bad. And the sills are okay, I guess. See the bottom of the doors? They're alright. Not too bad, but you know, obviously pretty bad. Everything's pretty rusty. Savable, but rusty. Got the ashtray and the shifter. Shifter is still connected to the rod. That still sounds pretty good. Got more rust over here. Right there. Right there. Looks like someone was filling this thing with spray foam. They were just gonna fill it all up, I guess. I guess that was the plan with this car at one point. Got a little thing in there. 15-inch tires. Ooh. Down here, got your little foot pedal. Okay. Looks like throttle cable right there. All the glass is very good, no cracks. Nothing too major back here as far as rust goes. Just on the edges. On the edges here. Cover is in very good condition, despite that. No broken fins. Lights are in good shape. dented, huh? Could get pulled out. Obviously we're missing flying buttress, but we got the stud here, so as long as you found one. Some more spray foam here. Oh yeah. Designed by Giugiaro. As you should know. The front still opens. Got everything in here. That usually sits there. Got all the juice in there. Got that in here. Looks like there's been some rodent action in there. It was originally a white car. Little cracks in the windshield. Just leave that. There we go.